This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the network and DNS, because most failures come from local connectivity. First, confirm your device is online and try a different website to rule out site-specific issues. Once done, restart your router and the computer or phone. A quick reboot often clears transient errors. Next, flush the DNS cache and temporarily change DNS to Google or Cloudflare so you can see if name resolution was the cause. Now you move into the browser and system checks to isolate software problems. Disable all extensions and clear the browser cache. Browser add-ons or stale files frequently block connections. Make sure no proxy is set and review the host's file for forced IP mappings because those can redirect or block sites. Finally, run ping and traceroute to the domain to see where packets stop. That tells you whether the issue is local, ISP, or server-side. Finish with deeper network repairs and a clear escalation step. Reset the TCP/IP stack and renew your IP address using system network commands. This resolves corrupt network state. If problems persist, test the site from a different device or via a VPN to determine if your ISP or route is blocking access. If you still see this site can't be reached, gather your ping and traceroute outputs and contact your ISP or the website administrator so they can investigate upstream issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.